Welcome back to another video. My dad's staring at me while I do the intro. I don't like it. I'm not used to it. So today's video, we're gonna be doing our first oil change on my dad's new 2022 Chevy Silverado. Has a 3-liter Duramax in it, and right now we're gonna see if it fits in the garage because we don't think it's gonna fit.
It's 4-wheel drive and it's kind of tall. And the opening to the garage door is not very high up, so we'll see.
Let's see.
We're gonna see if this thing fits underneath the door. Gonna fit. Well, it fit. That's great. She's a little dusty.
So this is gonna be the truck's second oil change, right?
Yep, second oil change, and we're gonna do. What are we putting in it?
Amsoil.
Amsoil.
My dad found a good deal at Lowe's.
Yeah,
right?
I think it's a Father's Day sale. Got the impact gun and the drill, 2 batteries, the charger, a bag. $99. How can you go wrong?
So the last oil change this truck had was at the dealer. So usually dealers and Jiffy Lube or whoever, shops like that, they just like to crank on the oil filter. So I'm just gonna start off with the tool. Wasting time trying to do it with my hand. So I like to pour some oil in there, and then I'm gonna put oil on the seal there. So for the drain plug, I don't crank them on either. I don't try to make it as tight as I can. I don't do that. Looked it up, it says 18 foot-pounds, so that's what I'm gonna do, and that should be just fine. I already have it set. And that's it. That's not that tight at all. 18 foot-pounds. So if you're new to the channel, I like to just grab a water bottle and cut it That's gonna be my
That's the funnel.
yeah, this is my funnel. Nervous.
Don't hit anything over there.
Huh?
Don't hit nothing.
Sounds quiet. Didn't sound weird when I first started up. Well, this thing sure is cool.
This thing is great. My first diesel, this was one of the best thing I bought. We don't have any problems, but every car has problems.
Where's that thing?
I don't know. Maybe that's windshield washer fluid. It probably needs some.
This is windshield washer. It has a little thing on it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. This is radiator. What's that back there? Maybe that's radiator also. It says something on there. That could be coolant. Oh, but it's not really low, but it probably could use a little bit. What the hell is that? Got two of those things. One right there, one little one right there. What are they for? Break out the owner's manual. Alright, shut it off and then we'll check it.
Got the thing moving over there?
Yeah, I wonder why it does that. It must be letting out like gas or air, you know, so it doesn't.
Maybe it's like a something have to do with the oil for the turbo.
Maybe.
That's probably why it burns oil, because the oil lubricates the
Turbo.
turbo.
Yeah.
All right, so yeah. All right, so I'm back in the truck. If you want to reset your oil light, you just go to where it says your oil life, and you're gonna press down on this little wheel, and it's gonna say, "Are you sure you want to reset?" And you're gonna press yes. And there you go. Now it's back to 100%. Instagram too, but can't do both.
Well, the oil change was a success.
Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of this video, and it's actually next weekend. I forgot to film an outro for the oil change video, and I wanted to show you the oil that we're using. This is the amsoil diesel oil.
And we didn't have a problem finding it. Like everybody goes to the dealer, they don't have any oil. Ordered it right here, straight to the house. No problem. And then we did.
A fuel additive. This is all-in-one diesel. We're not going to put it in every fill up. We might put it in like maybe once every 2 months, every 3 months. We bought a case of 6, so it'll last us a little while.
Well, that's all we got right now.
Yeah, just want to make sure that the fuel system stays clean, because we don't want to have any issues with it.
Yeah, we're new to the diesel world, so It definitely runs a lot smoother. It's a little bit quieter. It's very quiet to begin with, but there is a big difference.
All right, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of this truck on the channel, let me know. Leave a comment, because we can do more videos on it. We do have some things that we want to do to it. And
yeah, we're gonna get some new electric running boards and tint the windows. Maybe even a stereo system subwoofer.
well, don't say that if you're not going to do it.
Yeah, you never know.